Welcome everyone to the August 21st edition of the Cassini Photojournal. Each week we'll be featuring images taken from the Cassini-Equinox spacecraft as it orbits around Saturn. We're approximately 4 days before the next Cassini flyby of Saturn's moon Titan, so be prepared for some images, hopefully be released maybe the 26th or the 27th. For our first image, taken on August 14th, 2009, we have the Cassini spacecraft looking past the illuminated side of Saturn's rings to the brilliant moon Enceladus. Although the moon's brightness may make it appear closer to the observer, Enceladus is actually farther from the spacecraft than the rings in this image. As Saturn's widest satellite, Enceladus, which is about 504 kilometers or 313 miles across, has one of the most reflective surfaces in the solar system. Now, the rings have been brightened relative to the moon to enhance visibility. This view looks towards the sunlit side of the rings from about 5 degrees below the ring plane. The image was taken in visible light with the Cassini spacecraft wide-angle camera on June 25, 2009. The view was obtained at a distance of approximately 670,000 kilometers, which is about 16,000 miles, from Enceladus at a Sun-Enceladus spacecraft, or a phase angle of 51 degrees. Image scale is about 40 kilometers or 25 miles per pixel. This next image, taken on August 17, 2009, is of Saturn's moon Janus as it casts its shadow on the F and A ring, while the moon Prometheus, seen on the left of the image, creates a streamer channel in the thin F ring. Now, the gravity of the potato-shaped Prometheus, about 86 kilometers or 53 miles across, periodically creates streamer channels in the F ring. Janus, the moon cast in the shadow, is not shown in this image taken as Saturn approaches its August 29th equinox. 6 background stars are visible. They appear elongated by the camera's long exposure time. This next image, taken on August 18th, the Cassini spacecraft charts a quartet of dark albedo features on the moon Titan, the same moon that's going to be having its flyby on August 25th. From upper left to lower right of the image are Fezal, Atslon, Aru, and Synkyo. This image looks towards the Saturn-facing side of Saturn, about 5,150 kilometers or 3,200 miles across. North on Titan is up and rotated 16 degrees to the right. This next image, taken on August 19th, the shepherding moon Pandora near the bottom of the image casts a shadow on Saturn's thin F ring as the planet nears its August 2009 equinox. Pandora, 81 kilometers or 50 miles across, orbits outside the F ring, and with the inner shepherd moon Prometheus, not seen in this image, helps to keep the narrow lanes of the F ring in check. The nova illumination geometry that accompanies equinox lowers the sun's angle to the ring plane and causes out-of-plane structures to cast long shadows across the rings. These scenes are possible only during the few months before and after Saturn's equinox, which occurs only once in about 15 years, or 15 Earth years. This next image shows the Cassini spacecraft looking towards the varied surface of the trailing hemisphere of Enceladus again. North Enceladus, 504 kilometers or 313 miles across, is up. The image was taken in visible light with the Cassini spacecraft narrow angle camera on June 25th, 2009. This last image, which was actually taken today, August 21st, 2009, shows the shadow of Saturn's rings appearing as a narrow band on the planet in this image taken as approaches its August 2009 equinox. The novel illuminated geometry that accompanies equinox lowers the sun angle to the ring plane and causes the moon's outer plane structures to cast long shadows across the rings, just like as before. Now, the rings have been brightened relative to the planet to enhance visibility. This view looked towards the unilluminated side of the ring from about 21 degrees above the ring plane. The image was taken with the Cassini spacecraft wide angle again on June 25th, 2009. This image was released to the public on August 21st. It was originally photographed on June 25th, 2009, using a spectral filter sensitive to wavelengths of near-infrared light, centered at 918 nanometers. The view was acquired at a distance of approximately 620 kilometers from Saturn and at a Sun-Saturn spacecraft or phase angle of 26 degrees. Tune in next week as we go over the previously released images of the Saturn's Cassini-Equinox spacecraft imaging gallery.